Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make my grandma's recipe for clam chowder. Let's get started. To start out, we are going to mise en place, or get everything ready before we start cooking. We are going to start out by making what is called a mirepoix. A mirepoix forms the aromatic base for which a variety of savory dishes begins. It's a simple mixture of 3 or more chopped vegetables, including onions, carrots, and celery. To start the soup, peel and slice 4 to 5 carrots. Make sure to cut them all the same size. This will help them to cook evenly and to look more attractive in the soup. Small dice some celery until you have about 1 cup. This should be about 4 to 5 ribs. Take a large onion and peel away the outer layer. Cut the onion in half and then slice the onion without cutting it all the way through. Then turn the onion 90 degrees, then slice the onion again to cut a small dice. Wash and peel 1 pound of potatoes. Slice the potatoes into 1/2-inch slices, then cut the slices into 1/2-inch cubes. Place the potatoes into a bowl of cold water until you're ready to add them to the soup. This is going to keep your potatoes from turning brown. This week, my grandma turned 80 years old. I'm so proud to have her in my life. She has always been an example to me of hard work, dedication, and focusing on the important things in life. Thank you, Grandma, for making this soup recipe every year for Christmas and making it a tradition in our family. This recipe will always hold a special place in my heart for generations to come. In a large stock pot over medium-high heat, add in your mirepoix and potatoes. You're going to drain 2 to 3 cans of clams, and then you're going to add the juice over the vegetables. Then take the pot and fill it with water just until the vegetables are covered. You can also use chicken or vegetable stock to add more flavor. Allow the vegetables to cook for about 20 minutes or until they are tender. In a small pan, add 1 cup of butter. Once it is melted, add in 1 cup of flour. This is now a roux, which we are going to use as the thickening agent for our soup. Whisk that together and let it cook for a few minutes just to cook off that raw flavor from the flour. Add in 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 tablespoon of sugar. Slowly pour in 4 cups of 1/2 and 1/2. Keep whisking and pouring until everything is evenly combined. Allow this to cook for a few minutes just to thicken. Once the vegetables are tender, you're going to pour the roux and the cream mixture together. Add the drained clams and heat until the soup is heated through, but make sure you don't let the soup come to a boil. At this point, you can taste your soup and adjust the seasonings as needed. I like to add in some black pepper and salt. To garnish the soup, I like to cook up some bacon. Place some aluminum foil on a sheet pan and lay the bacon down in a single layer. Then you're going to cook the bacon in a preheated 400-degree oven for about 10 to 15 minutes or until it's as crispy as you like it. When the bacon is all done, go ahead and dice that up. With Mother's Day coming up, I encourage you to look through your family's recipes and make something that's special to you or to your family. Or start something new that can be handed down from generations to come. Serve this soup up with the diced bacon, some fresh parsley, and some crackers on the side. If you want to make some homemade rolls to accompany this soup, make sure you check out this video right over here where I teach you how to make melt-in-your-mouth butter horns. I love them and I think you're going to love them too.